Hello. Okay. I need to mute my Discord too, actually. Wait, what happened to the music? Wait, was there a new playlist? Yep, a whole bunch of stuff was added to the playlist. Ooh, I like the sound of it. Let me mute my Discord, otherwise it's gonna be a constant bleep all day. Bleep, 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 bleep. La 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 la. Good. Okay. Good morning, E. Good morning, Dave. Jay, good morning, Nance. Good morning, Gary. Good morning. Only working 3 days, so let's make it. Let's make some coins. 3 days. Good morning, Lo. Good morning, Jay. Let's go, Josh. Good morning. Good morning. No, Gail. Everybody. Good morning, Alan. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm just getting ready here. Okay. 1 second. I just need to clean up this as well. My goodness. And then music. I feel like we should always start the morning with like high volume music, you know? I'm just cleaning up my watch list as we do this. And then we need to upload these ones on stream now, I guess. Upload. You like the beats, Josh? Yeah, I like them. Okay, let me let me get some water really quickly. Okay, let me get some water. Go. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hopefully, you had a wonderful weekend. We crushed it on Friday. I'm telling you, when I say crush it, that's the biggest. Well, I think we had a stock that went up 500%. So that's the biggest green day we had all of last week, and we were in Discord. So We'll talk about that soon. We'll talk about that soon. Good morning, Jeff. Thank you very much. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like. There goes XBP again. Ooh, look at XBP go. Does this song sound like "Are you with me? Are you with me?" La 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 la. La. Anyways, you know what song I'm talking about? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But yeah, so we have a lot of resistance for XBP between 460 and 470. So if we can find a way to break above that level, send it. No, it doesn't sound like that anymore. Okay, so yeah, this is the third time we're testing this level now, so we're gonna need to break above that range. Um, yeah. So yeah, resistance. This has to be the main stock going into the open. TCBP, right? ALLR had news this morning. It's just been sitting at $1.17, which isn't too bad, but it doesn't have that momentum. TCBP had an amazing run, right? But it has resistance, as we mentioned in Discord, at $3, right? So $3, lots and lots of resistance. So then it just sold off. Let me see here. What's Palantir doing? Yeah. Alrighty, and Ben F was one of the names from last week, so and it's gapping up this morning. Not a huge gap up, but we can keep an eye on it. Um, and then we will talk about the other names as well. Cool, cool. I'm just looking here. Uh, okay, I just need to clean up some of the names on the list here. What else do we have? Do, 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 do. Uh, la 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 la. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe a retest. That was a weird 200 fail actually. A very weird 200 fail. Do, do, do. Actually, 1 second. Do, 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 do. Uh, uh, there we go. Let's go back to XBP. Yeah, it's still testing that top of the range, right? Yeah, triple tops now. Yup. So no breakouts yet. No breaking out yet. So we can find a way to break. How much time do we have? 20 minutes. So lots and lots and lots of time before that thing eventually breaks out. We shall see if it actually does. I hope it does. And then if it does, send it. Okay, let me see here. La, 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 la. Okay, let me see. It looks like it wants to, doesn't it? Question is, will it actually break out? Actually, just want to fix that a little bit there, since uh, okay. Retesting. I just had to post a signal in Discord. Last signal. Yeah, it is. Oh, sorry, like. Yeah, no, I was looking at the bottom of the range there, and I like the bottom. So I just, again, it's not a huge difference. Like, it doesn't affect anything really. It doesn't affect anything except for the buy range. Just changing it by 5 cents, Lion, right? So you're still right there. It doesn't affect, again, it doesn't affect the stop loss, anything like that, or maybe a little bit, but it hasn't hit that range, right? So you're still if you are in between that range, you're still right there. So nothing's really changed. You should be almost back to break even there. I just wanted it a little bit lower, because it looked sus to me. And also, I didn't realize the bottom was quite a bit far on those wicks there. So that's all. So it's bouncing already there. You're thinking bank F? Okay. There you go, Lion. That's all I wanted. I just wanted a little bit lower at a psychological level. That's it. So you're back to green now. Back to the greenies. Back to the greenies. Come on, give us 160. There we go. Oomskis. Give us a squeeze. Give us a squeeze. Give us a squeeze. Give us a squeeze. I want to see if we can get a quick pop here. But again, just be careful, because we might go for a second retest like we always do. I hope we don't, but sometimes we like to just randomly go for retest, you know. La, 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 la. Again, all of these signals are going to Discord and HT signals. So if you're not a Legend or Gold member, you're missing out on that. By the way, um, that's where this is going to. Okay. So when I say I'm posting a signal, that's where it's going to. Uh, no, opening a file. No, I don't want a file. There you go. Okay, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. XBP is going to need to give us a breakout above, again, in between that range, 460 to 470. If we can clear that range, send it. Alrighty, and then we're just kind of watching SGE for now. Okay. Mullen has news. Mullen signs agreement with California-based HVIP approved National Fleet Group. Whatever, Mullen. I'm kidding. Mullen might actually run today again. Might actually run. Anyone showing 15,000 share float redemption for PLTN? I'll have to take a look at some point. I will take a look ski. Yeah, there's always that second retest on these things. Always the second retest on these things. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's give it a second. Let's see. My goodness, this one's slow, isn't it? Drops 93 as a asset fail. Yeah. If you're failing phase three, honestly, Lion, like that's a complete disaster. If you spend all that monies and then you fail at the end, oof, what a disaster that is. So, yep, it's only fair. Anyways, XBP is dipping from that resistance, so not a massive surprise. Good morning, Justin. Right, so again, 470, 460, a lot of resistance, and you can see it. So maybe we break above this level after the market opens. Alrighty, but we'll find out soon enough. So yeah, for now it's just range bound. We're going from 410 to 460, 470, and then back again for this one. You just go back and forth. Good morning, Veronica. If I missed you. Good morning, Joe. Nice picture. Uh, wait, am I glitching? Yee, that better not happen. Otherwise, I might need to go reset. Come on. Yeah, so that the ooh. Mullen's actually going. Okay, yeah, I'll take a look. Yeah, come on. I'm just waiting for the stream to update itself. Or is it just me? Okay, there we go. It's back up now. It's back up and running. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. So yeah, Mullen had news. Mullen seems to be doing a lot of. They seem to be doing a lot in California. Um, just all of the news is California based. It seems. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's going back up on that silly news. Is the stream glitching for you guys at all? Oh no, let me know. Hmm. You guys are very quiet this morning. Very quiet. Unless make sure your stream is updated. If it glitched like that, you might not be live anymore. So make sure you click on the red dot live, and then you should be good to go. Alrighty. Good morning, Ray. Good morning. Good morning. Market bounce. Sheesh. Sheesh. Good morning, Christopher. Any IPOs you like this week? Rusty, no, not really. There's nothing that stood out. So then, if nothing stands out, then we just wait. We just wait to see if any, if they actually IPO and they look good. Good morning, Steve. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, you guys don't seem to be responding like live, like interactive. So I wonder if it's really delayed. Let me know. Let me know if everything is good on your end. Let me know, please. Otherwise, I'm just gonna sit back and drink some water and do trades. Thank you, Josh. Good. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There we go. There we go. SGE is on fire. Loving it. Loving it, guys. Loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Here we go. Did anybody take the signal in Discord other than Lion? Anybody take it? Anybody take it? Let me know. Uh, let's see. So that 175 was our last resistance, right? The 200. Well, I say 175. It's a little bit. It's a little bit lower than that now. It's a little bit lower than that now. A little bit lower than that. So let's see if we can get back above 170 here. Thank you. Thank you, William. Thank you all. Let's go. And I don't want to be in a trade, Josh. Okay, sounds good. Okay. Take a shower. Take a shower. Good, 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 good. Let's go. Again, if you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. This is just one from this morning, right? So that's SGE, right? So if you took that signal, congratulations. It was right there in Discord, right? Entry price. Hey, this is your entry price. This is your this is your that. And obviously, again, when Lion posted that, it's because we dropped to that level, right? So if you took that, congratulations. If you didn't, if you're not a legend member, you're missing out on a lot. And we'll talk about that more today. But this was the drop right there, right? So that was the drop to the entry price, right? So if you took it, congratulations. Thank you, William. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Uh, I'm ready. We're ready for a fire week. A fire week. One second. Let me get my Discord up and running again. I just had to reset it all because of the silly glitch. Because of the silly glitches. The silly glitches. Okay, let's see. That doesn't seem right, does it? Today. Yeah, so it looks like we're failing before breaking above 170 there, which is a little bit annoying, but there's really nothing we can do. Do you think Peggy will do anything this week, Christopher? I'm not sure. I'll have to take a look. Anyways, yeah, let's see if this is just a retest of the downtrend, and then we can resume back to the 200. Anyways, alrighty, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, everybody. If I missed you, don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Alrighty, smash the like, please, and thank you. Share the link as well. Blah 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 blah. We have 5 minutes before the market opens. Let's go, Dan. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's cook. Let's cook. It's Monday. Let's start cooking. We're cooking already. So, again, if you're not a legend member, you're missing out. You're not a goat? Missing out. You know, Gary's going to start complaining soon enough because he's going to miss out on all these plays, you know? He's going to miss them all. Miss. You want to see the list of plays you've been missing out on? So, again, if you're not a legend, right? That was from last week, by the way, right? XBP, your entry was right there, XBP, right? So XBP between $1.80 and $1.90, that was your entry, right? In the signal channel, right? What did XBP go to? Well, XBP is up 100% this morning, right? It's at four. Well, it ran to 470. So really nice run. Not that you were supposed to hold it for that long, but that's completely up to you. But the idea was there, right? So not like we missed it, right? Again, there is whatever this is. That's SGBX, right? SGBX was posted in Discord, right? From right. So again, your entry was right there, $5 and above, 5.20 and above, right? So that thing immediately said thank you, goodbye, right? To 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 and more, almost $10, right? So again, if you missed that, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Anyways, and there's a lot more. So stop missing out. Cool, cool. Moving on. Yeah, I want to see this thing give us a higher low bounce here because it looks like that's kind of what it's doing. We'll see. Again, the only issue is we have 3 minutes before the market opens here, so that's a bit of a problem. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Alrighty, be safe, guys. Merlin looks like it's stalling at 480, 475. Other than that, everything else seems a little bit sideways. I was gonna pull up the S&P, but if you have any questions, let me know. Palantir also reports earnings today, which is a fun name to watch. I just want to look at Palantir really quickly here. I also need to pull up the earnings calendar. Yeah, Palantir is having a nice gap up this morning. Palantir has done well. Like it usually does well into earnings and during earnings. So I wonder if they're going to beat again today. They crushed the last two earnings. Yup, it looks good. Looks very, very good. Very, very good. What's the S&P at here? Okay, 513, 513.50. Cool. We do seem to have a bit of a double top for the S&P. For SPY. Cool. I just want to set an alert for when we break above that double top, if we do. 100. Who? Interesting. Anyways. Question for you guys in the chat. Ben F, I'll take a look, Nas, in a second. What's your favorite name going into the open? What are you looking forward to the most? What are you looking forward to? What are you looking forward to? What the hell? I just set an alert for Spy, and Spy just broke above that as soon as I switched screens. Well, what's this rubbish? XBP, okay. GME Dale, okay. Yeah, GME had a really good week last week. Good morning, pizza. Good morning. I'm gonna go back to XBP here. What the hell? Okay, that's just the S&P alert again. So a few names we are paying attention to here going into the open. Oh my goodness, can we stop with the alerts? So it almost seems like we came back into range for SGE for another entry there. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. And we are open. We are open. We are open. So SGE with a nice little pop there. Oof! Look at that pop. Look at that pop. Can we get back above like 170, 175? I don't know how I feel about immediately popping at the open, but I don't mind. Right? I don't mind at all. There goes SGE 170. I do think we're going to struggle at the 200 here, so be careful, please. Right? Be careful at the $1.70-ish. Here again, this signal was posted already in Discord. Right? That's your entry. Actually, no, that's not it. That's your entry. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. I must have deleted something. Must have deleted. But there you go. You guys know what I'm talking about. For some reason, my stuff is glitching this morning. What is going on? My stream is broken. Broken. There we go. I want to see a break of the 200 here is what I'm looking for. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. 180. Let's go. Come on. Let's cook. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Let 185. Come on. Let's go. Again, that's the entry in Discord. Right? I keep saying it. If you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. I don't know what to tell you, right? The entry was right there, posted 20 minutes ago, right? Posted 20 minutes ago. So if you're not a legend member yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know how to help you, but it was right there. Cool, cool. Anyways, look at that 199. Ooh, wee. Let's go. Give us $2. Let's cook. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Be careful here now though. You might wanna think about securing some profits. Might want to think about securing some profits. Alrighty. So please make sure you're securing profits in the green as well. So let's see. Let's see. Perfect. Let's go. You can fix it. Good morning, Lynn. Gary, did you secure your monies? Or you're still waiting? Come on, give us more. $2 resistance here. Right where that supply zone kind of is at, slightly above. So be careful, please. Like I said, market just open. You might want to start thinking of securing profits. Let's go. Come on, come on. Give us a push above $2 already here. My goodness. XBP is dipping, right? We're not really focused on that now. TCBP is also dipping. It seems to be holding the 200 though and building a base at $1.85. So if you're holding TCBP, unsure why it's not moving, Lucas. Yeah. So for now, just watch for that 200. If you can stay above 175, you should be okay, right? If you can stay above 185, especially, you should be fine. It needs, yeah, there it goes, right? Now it's popping TCBP. So it looks fine. It's just the typical market open volatility, right? And also don't pay attention to the news is cool, but that shouldn't be your main focus, please. Please and thank you. Alrighty, yeah. TCBP is like my turn. Rug pull, yeah. That thing having a second wave there is yep. It was a chat pump. Okay. I see. Yeah, TCBP looks good. Anyways, back to SGE. SGE looks good still. I think we just need that open retest because we haven't really had one yet. It looks like it's doing it now. So between 180 and 170. If I can base above that level, that would be good. Alrighty. Yeah, Tesla needs to get back above 185. 185. Get above 185, and then Tesla is to 200. Annette, good morning. Good morning. TCBP is looking good. So that was a beautiful retest of the 200 for TCBP. Now it's retesting the VWAP. Your next resistance is like 220, 225 for TCBP. Alrighty? 220 to 225, that's your next resistance up there. So if we can break above that level, send it. So as you can see, it's kind of failing there already, all the way to 350. Yeah, well, I mean, depending on what happens at the 200 here, because the 200 there almost seems so 370 line almost seems like a breakout retest as well. So depending on what happens at 350, 370, if it breaks below that level, then yes, for sure. SGE still looks good to me here, even though we're getting a red candle, just because it's still holding above the nine. But it's going to need to get back above $2 again if it wants to run, right? Palantir with a drop at the open and then a pop. A drop and a pop. There we go. We're back to 190. Come on. It's confused here, isn't it? Confused on what it wants to do. If you made monies in SGE, type in yes in the chat. If you made monies, type in yes in the chat. Let's see here. Let's go, focus lion. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You want to know what these two guys have in common? Focus saying yes, we made monies in SGE, and Lion saying yes, we made monies in SGE. You want to know what they have in common? And Yogi, you want to know what all three of them have in common? You want to know what they have in common? The legend members, and they took the signal in Discord. So from $1.50 to $2, and still playing games for now. So again, in the HT Signal channel in Discord. So if you're not a member yet, missing out. Come join us. Alrighty, and moving on. The all insiders straight to jail. Anyways, yeah. So here comes a retest between 180 and 170, like we mentioned, right? So that retest has to happen, and if it can give us a higher low, then that's it, right? So it's always a balancing act, though, isn't it? Like, do you take your profits at resistance, or do you hope that it comes down and gives you a higher low and then goes higher? You know. What weighting do you give news versus volume or the other factors? What do you okay, sounds good. So the main thing you're looking at, right? It's always going to be a combination of TA, the list. What's that alert? 1 second. That's the S&P crossing 514. Dang, that's an amazing, wow. Okay, Spy, I see you. Dang, Spy is crushing it. Sheesh. Crushing it. Tesla needs to get above 185. Oh wow, never mind. Sheesh. Never mind, Tesla. Elon was spamming a whole bunch of stuff on Twitter over the weekend. Warren Buffett has $200 billion in cash, right? So Warren Buffett has been selling Apple. He has a whole bunch of monies in cash. So then, what did I have on him? So then someone posted on Twitter saying, Warren Buffett should buy Tesla, and Elon responded saying, "Oh yeah, that's an obvious choice." Um, yeah, which is interesting, but I don't think that has any weighting on anything. But yeah, I needed to fix one of the other glitches here. There we go. Yeah, no, it glitched for a second. I just had to quickly fix. Anyways, but yeah, Tesla looks good. TCBP looks nice though. You can see though that it's stalling around that level we talked about earlier, right? So the top of the range, 225 ish. But it's done a really good job bouncing off the bottom. So someone was asking earlier. Anyways, Lucas, so it's always a combination of a few things, right? So when you think of like, oh, I want to buy a stock, right? You're looking at technical analysis, you're looking at the catalyst, and you're looking at the volume, right? So to me, the most important thing out of those three is the volume, especially if you're, again, depending on what you're trying to do. If you're scalping really quickly, volume. If you're playing momentum, volume is your best friend, right? If you're looking for an investment, then okay, like the technicals outweigh everything else, or your catalyst outweighs everything else, right? So it depends on what you're trying to do with that specific stock, but those three matter, right? To me, with these names we're playing with, the most important thing is the volume, right? So because you can have news, and if the volume isn't coming in, it's not doing anything, right? And honestly, sometimes technical analysis doesn't matter when volume comes in, because the stock just goes boom skis, right? So volume is really, 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 really important. And then the levels, and then the news. When you're playing with momentum stocks, honestly, the volume is the last thing on the list out of those three, right? There's the volume, there's the technicals, and then there's so yeah, exactly. Anyways, there goes TCBP. TCBP sending it. Oof. TCBP is like, hey, I'm going. Wait for me. We're like, no, thanks. It's okay. We don't need to wait. That was a sweet breakout, though, wasn't it? So breakout and boom skis straight to the supply zone. Straight to the supply zone. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. My goodness. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. 280. On fire. On fire. On fire. I'm gonna fix that really quickly. And it's halted up. It's halted up. Halted up. Choo, choo, choo. Let's go. Palantir 142. Sheesh, virus. That was a really nice gap up. 32%, Lucas. Congratulations. Congrats. Yeah, I know you were concerned a little bit at the open. You sold it. What did you sell at? What a slow start, but we got there. Yeah, no, good job. Well done. Well done. Yeah, don't panic too much, especially at the open when you see it consolidating. Right? Yeah, you got 283. Well done. Good job. It most likely will open higher, but that's fine. You sold at a really good level, right? The last time we were here at $3 TCBP, we struggled and went back down. So resistance, double top TCBP. So we might just open around this range and then drop again. Yeah. So 197. Well done. Congratulations. Yeah, I think the telltale sign for this thing was that it dropped at the open on that candle, but then still ended up closing the candle on the doji. So clearly they bought the dip skis. And then as soon as it broke out right there, right, that breakout, that pivot breakout, that thing was gone. And then a second breakout. So yeah, it's done really, really well. Tesla looks nice. Tesla is stalling on 187 though. But yeah, I think there was a level 188, something like that, virus. Yeah. SGE seems to be giving us a higher low. So if we can stay above that, then that would be good. That would be good. Uh, yeah. So 177 there. Let me take a look. Okay, perfect. 187. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. 187. Mm, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, we need to break above that level then, virus. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I would appreciate that very much. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, or if you want to upgrade, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. So SGE is looking really good again. We never came back into the range, so it's technically higher low, but SGE looking better. I like what it's doing there. Alrighty, so again, if you're not a member yet, or if you're not a GOAT or a Legend member yet, you're missing out, right? So if we go back to last week when we decided not to stream, right, you can kind of see the plays we took in Discord, right? From SGBX, again, we said, hey, SGBX, entry above $5.20 if we close above, right? So from $5.20, that thing crushed it, right? So 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10, right? And then XBP, right? XBP was another one from $1.80, $1.90, right? Entry, right? To $4, $5 this morning, right? That's XBP, still at 350. Well, that's higher than the signal, isn't it? And then obviously this morning with SGE, right? So from $1.50. So again, if you're not a Legend member or a GOATS member, you're missing out on these signals. So do yourself a favor, please, and go upgrade. Ready? Do yourself a favor, please. Anyways, there's still SGE. So SGE is still looking really good. I think Justin is, let's go, 10-cent scalp. Nice. So Justin is still playing this one, right? We're going to need to get back above $2 here if we want to run again. No, Justin, pump it, pump it, pump. Today is pump day. Today we pump. Tesla is going for 187. Tesla needs to have like one of those days, one of those, like, one of those days where like we just keep pumping. Yeah, let me pull up the S&P here. Interesting. Uh, let's see what happens. Let's see if the S&P can ever get back to 515. TCBP is unhalted and TCBP looks good. Let the Dan, absolutely. There goes $3 for TCBP. TCBP. So technically, this is a double top at that $3 range we talked about, right? So just be careful around this price. There you go. Yes, yes. So yeah, if you look to the left-hand side, this is the same level we failed at last time. So be careful, please. Be careful, be careful. Please, please, please. So even though it looks really good, it's still a double top. And there we go. We're backing off here. So the third time is usually the charm. Look at that. Oof, 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 oof. So please don't fall more levels like that. Please and thank you. Please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Otherwise you end up yeah. Yeah. La, 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 la. Oof, 260, right? Surprise! History does not repeat, but it rhymes, right? So don't buy double tops, please, unless we actually break out, and then you can say, fine, I will buy it. I love when stuff is moving in the right direction and the FOMC is behind us. I like that a lot. I hate the stupid FOMC, if you can tell already. No, 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 no. Yep. AGBA, Mara. Yeah, Mara looks good. Mara looks really good. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the bestest of them all? Anyways, yeah, let's clean that up. Let's clean that up. Clean that up. Let's go back. Ooh, look at SGE, guys. Oh my goodness. Boom skis. Boom skis. Let's go. Let's cook. Let's go. And we're halted up, by the way. Halted up, by the way. Halted up, by the way. Let's go. 240. $2.40. Let's go, Lion. Teamwork. I know it seemed fishy for a second. The only reason I wanted to update it was just because I thought it could go lower. And I always, I didn't want to like have a silly stop loss, but that was it. Well, a better entry for, yeah. Thank you very much, Lion. Thank you. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Exactly, Dan. FOMC is like the biggest scam. Biggest scam. Why these guys have to televise it and ask questions is like we don't even care. Anyway, so there's TCBP dropping, guys. I don't think this should be a surprise to anybody, right? Again, resistance 1, resistance 2. Guess what happens? Drop. Unless we break above that level. Already, unless we break above that level, be very careful. Be very careful. Uh, okay, I'm gonna need to edit them. Thank you. Uh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Again, I'm just gonna leave this up here for the legends. Today we spam the legend membership. If you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. That was SGE. That was the signal, $1.50, right? We're not at $1.50 anymore, are we? And we're not stopping, are we? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. So again, if you're not a legend member yet, don't know what to tell you. You're missing out. Missing out. Alrighty? So become a legend. Come join us in Discords. Right? 95% and halted up. And halted up. There you go. Come on, give us the on halts already. In terms of like TCBP, maybe this is just a retest of. So remember that 225 level we talked about, right? 225 ish. This might just be a retest and then a bounce. So if you're playing with TCBP, just watch that range. Alrighty, watch that level. A month. If anyone wants it, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. XBP. It looks like we're below the 200 now. So this is a bit of a red flag. Be careful, please. Right? We need to stay above $3.45. If not, XBP might be done. That's okay because we moved on already. So yeah. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, NUVO is halted up. That thing popped very quickly. That thing popped very quickly. Very, very quickly. We shall see. NUVO. Yup. Yup, yup, yup. That's a really nice push. 110%. I like the chaos we have lately in the markets. Just complete chaos. Complete chaos. Yeah, TCBP, watch for 225 to 230. If we can stay above and start curling back up, that would be perfect. And SGE still halted up. Jared, yeah, take a look at AGB at some point. But yeah, so let's see what happens when this is on halted. Palantir looks nice. Palantir looks very nice, right? With those earnings coming out today. So, again, the last two earnings, Palantir has reported they've crushed it. So hopefully today it continues. Yeah, it looks like AGB is hitting highs of the day now. Yeah, AGBA. Yeah, that's a really nice push. Sheesh. Very nice. So some really good runners this morning. Congratulations, you were making monies. If you're green this morning, type in yes in the chat. If you're making monies, you're green, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're green for the morning. Breaking news: AMC just declared record profits. Good news to buy now. Get that rubbish out of here, please. Anyways, let's go, Gary. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I want to see yeses. I want to see yeses. Let's go. Look at that. $1,200. Let's go, Yogi. Come on. The market just opened. $1,200 already. Come on. Come on. It's Monday. We're starting the week of right. Beyond and Square. I'll take a look, Victoria. Peter, you did not enter. Eh? You did not enter. Oh. Eh. What did virus say? What did virus say now? Oh. Virus, virus says, do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Okay. Are you with me? Yeah, we're just waiting for the on holds on on SGE. TCBP seems to still be holding that 225 level we talked about, right? So yeah, Hims and Hars were getting like that. Them, I think the CEO must have said something. He said something that was anti-Semitic. So then the company is getting slapped. But whatever. Anyways, no, Jeff. Into yep, Hims and Hars. Why is sound moving? I don't know. I haven't looked at sound this morning. Yeah, Lion, the typical, right? When the stock goes below the 200, we immediately become skeptical. Immediately. Immediately. So, yeah. So, yup. The average is 28. $28 for A-Win. Yep, that's why we don't hold these names into splits, because the average becomes ridiculous. Ridiculous is what happens. Uh, uh, oh yeah, NUVO with another pop. Another pop there. There goes 460. Oof, that thing is on fire. Sheesh, 120%, guys. Everything is just crushing it this morning. Crushing it, 136%. Dang. My goodness. Sheesh. What's a runner? She's a runner. She's a track star. Anyways. Oh yeah, I need to look at Beyond. I'll take a look at Beyond as soon as the other stock on halts and Square. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. $10, almost. What's your average on that thing, though, Musty? What's the average? Don't worry, I won't forget about Beyond. I will look skis. Palantir looks nice. $25. Look at that thing go. Sheesh. Sheesh. I'm waiting for my SPY 515 alert to go off so I can smile, and then set another alert for 520. Come on, SPY, keep pumping it. Keep pumping it. Tesla's at 187, above 187. Love it. Love it. What a beautiful green morning. Keep pumping everything. Pump, 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 pump. Pump, 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 pump. Yeah, Mullen is going up. Mullen had news this morning, so congratulations if you're in the Mullen. Mullen. Congrats. You have SPY puts, Justin. That was a bit of a gamble, wasn't it, though? Especially when we're sitting above resistance and we're pumping in the morning. You're like, you know what? Let me try it. You know. It wasn't really like you shorted at resistance. That's funny. SGE is on halted, guys. Oh my days. SGE is on halted at 160. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. $2 and 60. 260. 260. Oof. Again, if you're not a legend member, it's Monday morning and the legends crushed it already. And it's on fire. Look at that. 280, guys. 280, 150%. $3. 168%. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. My goodness. Sheesh. My goodness. So we're halted up now. Okay. That stop loss needs to be moved. My goodness. Sheesh. 306. Again, we're just gonna keep spamming the legend membership. Just gonna keep spamming the legend membership again. That signal was posted right there in Discord. $1.50. It's no longer $1.50, is it? Nope, it's not. So you basically just made 100% on a signal on one day of the entire month. Is your membership paid for? Yes, it is. Right? $1.50 to $3. Money's doubled. Let's go. But still managed to scalp in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. Come on, Veronica. Let's go, Justin. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, you. Let's go. Thanks for the $200. Absolutely. Yeah, Luna, right? We kind of talked about Luna last week, breaking above that 550 level, Justin. Because if you look at the daily, like Luna's been sitting above $5 every single day. So the fact that it finally broke above like the 200 or whatever moving average that was we looked at last week, really interesting. Really interesting. Come on. Give us more, please. So we're halted at 306. Usually when these things halt, they open higher. So let's see if we can do that again. Okay. Let's see. That's funny. That's funny. 225. Okay. Pizza's membership is gonna is it the value is only going up, Pizza. The value is only going up. And NUVO also looks good too. NUVO with a really nice pop, 170%. Right? That was a really nice pop for NUVO. AGBA came back down a little bit. Maybe that's why that's yeah. So again, TCBP is still kind of chilling around that same range. XBP, meh, right? Unless it can stay about 320 now above this demand zone, meh. Yeah. If you're still holding SGE, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding SGE, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chatties. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, William. Ace, yes. J, yes. Okay. You took it all out at 180. Feels bad. I know. I know. I know. Yeah, but that's the type of person. That's the type of like that's your strategy, though, right, Justin? So like scalping those 20 cents and leaving, which is fine. Yeah. Well, Musty, I don't know what to tell you. I can't tell you what to buy now because I already did at $1.50. So just because it's higher than what you want to buy it for, your phone was itching. Well, Musty, you have access to Discords. I don't know what to tell you. You do. So the signal was right there. Alrighty. So go take a shower. Yeah, let's go, Dylan. Yeah, I agree, Justin. I agree. Most of the time. Most of the time, yeah. Yeah, TCBP looks like it's trying to curl. So again, we're holding above the 50 for now. Z50, come on, give us the on halt already. There we go. We're on halted and we're dropping. So on halt and immediate drop cease. That was a pretty massive candle though. Oof, these candles are massive. So let's see if we can retest, consolidate, and then go for another push. Right? See if we can retest something and then go for another push here. But congratulations if you made money. So again, you guys should all be green on that play, regardless of the drop. You should all be green, unless you magically bought at $3. Then I don't know what to tell you. Like if he somehow bought this thing at this price, um, if you're not a member, you should probably just just give up. Um, if you're a member, then don't give up because there's hope for you. Anyways, anyways, I'm kidding. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you want to join us in Discord, just click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. APUD, LD. On FOMC, you're left behind with the F and not the good kind. Nope. Tesla got slapped. Sheesh, Tesla. Come on. Last I looked, this thing was at 187. How's it down to 185 and the rest of the market is still up there? That's Tesla for you though. Tesla. Tesla. Like Musty, you have no hope. You diamond hand too much. Stock market psychologist. Anyways, I wanted to look at let me take a look at Beyond Meat and Square. Palantir still looks nice. Wait, did the second alert go off? No. Okay. Yeah, look at Palantir. Oh my goodness, look at Palantir. My goodness. If you're holding Palantir, congratulations. People are bumping this because Palantir. If you look at the daily chart for Palantir, let me take a look. If you look at this daily chart, look at the last two times they reported earnings. Just let me show you. Okay, the last two times we were paying really close attention. Look at this. Palantir exploded. Right, this thing went from last earnings. This thing went from 1650, and the day after earnings we were testing for like 22s and above, and then we went to 25. Right, and then before that, this thing went from what is this 14 all the way to $20, and then before that, uh, okay, dropped. But so the last two earnings, they've crushed it, right? So when stuff like that happens, people usually notice. Oof, let's go, Dylan. Oof, 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 oof. By the way, Dylan is a GOATS member, so we had a one-on-one last week, and we talked about a whole bunch of stuff, and crushing it. $200 on Friday, $500 today. Oof. When I say crushing it, I mean crushing it. So again, if you're not spending monies on the Legend memberships, you're like, it's too much. But I want to go to McDonald's and go get some fries with my friends, and then I want to go to Wendy's and get a chocolate shake with my friends. um, right? I don't want to. Or if you don't want to, like, if you're struggling and you're like, you don't want to get a gold membership so you can have a one-on-one, you're like, but like, I could use that money and go lose it on my own. Oh my god, I could spend that monies on like uh that then anyways, congratulations. If you're losing monies and you don't want to spend monies on yourself, congratulations, right? The legends and goats are making monies. Could someone mute him, please? Oh my god. But like, anyways. Oh my god. But like that's so much money. Anyways, that's one trade, and Dylan is paid for the entire membership. So the membership is free now for the rest of the month. Oh my god! But like, you know what? I don't want to join Discord, but look at this. It's squeezing 212% for NUVO. Woof! Look at that thing go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Identifies as it. No. I do not. I identify as he, please and thank you. Don't get confused. He, that's the only pronoun. Please. Please, please, please. There goes at 680. Um, let's go. Membership paid for already. Very happy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So invest in your education, please. Invest in yourself. I don't want to hear you saying, "Oh my god, I could have made so much money if I was." Then just let me know so I can ban you. Okay? Don't want to hear it. Cool? Cool. Cool. Let's see. Uh yeah, we use A and suck it in Canada. Oh my cause the na 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 na. Oh, they do? Sheesh musty. Dang, that's crazy. Anyways, it looks like SBP bounced off that demand zone. SGE, we're bouncing off the 9 for now, so we're gonna keep all these names on watch, obviously. Veronica, I know you were looking for Square and beyond. What are your positions? Let me know, please, so I know exactly what I'm looking at. Beyond reports earnings this week. It's on the calendar. And then I'm not sure what if Square reports as well. I think they reported last week. So yeah, just let me know, and I'll take a look. Not Veronica, Victoria. Sorry, Victoria. Yeah, no options. Yeah. Uh, okay. Oh yeah. More squeezing. Yeah, Nuvo's done well, done really well. That thing doesn't look like it's done, does it? That thing said, nope. Today we thrust. Car without rainbows. I don't know. I don't know. NUVO. Send it. Oh, that name was on the list already, actually. Yeah, Victoria, let me know what your position is for Square and beyond, and I'll take a look. Now we'll take a look ski. SGE, again, as long as we keep fighting above the 9, I still like it. Still like it. TCBP is just kind of sitting there, isn't it? So still holding that level we talked about, but it's not too bad. $3 this morning. You missed getting in. Yeah, there's so many names though. So many names. You just have to pick one and then go with it. So it's a fight of the 9 between these two names. Yeah, Mara looks nice. Mara looks nice. Gorilla 11%. Okay. Na 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 na. La 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 la. Come on. Battle of the 9 EMA. You notice how like SGE and NUVO look the same? Like they're very similar in the way that the candles are moving. Long wicks and at the 9 EMA. So one of these two names has to break out. 10% nice. Yeah, not pumping and like these names. Eh. I mean, SGE also went up 100% in like an hour, musties. So uh, you just have to sell it and not diamond hand it. That's the problem, musty. It's not the 10%, it's the diamond handing. Also, if I just wanted 10%, honestly, might as well just invest in the S&P. But you know what I mean? I know what you're saying, though. I'm just saying. It's not the pump and dumps that are the problem. The problem is the people diamond handing. Yeah. No, I don't care about the stock keeping the gains. I care about it giving me monies and then leaving the hell out of my moving out of my face so I can find something else. You know? Yep. I promise you, if I had told everybody in the chat that hey, like let's just make 10% a day consistently, everybody would stay in bed. Dan doesn't even wake up for more than 20%, for less than 20%. Yeah, TCBP is consolidating really nicely here. So if we can find a way to break out, that would be good. I love it, the kitchen. Sorry, yo. Yeah, you do, Musty. Yeah, I like what TCBP is doing there. If it can just break out and send it. Why did you spill, Peter? 10% will turn you. See, like virus wakes up and makes 100%, 150%. So it's not about the 10%. It's about you taking profits. When No, absolutely, Musty. I agree. No, that was a really good call. That was an amazing call. So thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it was a really good shout for anybody that wanted to swing. Yeah, anybody that wanted to swing. Uh, Citizens African village. Yes, so yes. Back to the origin, Back to the origin. Everything seems to be dipping for now. So, yep, yep. Yeah, Virus was too busy with Mara and Palantir and the other names. Do you notice spy? Mm, yeah. And what? And thrust. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. As we wait for the next play, right? So, we've had that exciting morning. Now things are just kind of, relaxing. People are finding their footing now, blah, blah, blah. So there's no need to rush. So sit back, relax a little bit, and let's see if we can find something to play with. Alrighty? And TCBP is looking like that's something, but it's playing games within this range, yeah. So $2.20, 225 seems to be holding again. That was the level we needed to break above last time. So it's interesting. NUVO seems to be holding the 9 EMA like a monster NUVO, right? So like a monster. Hey yo, Crystal. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yo yo yo. Yeah, sound looks good. I think someone asked earlier why sound was moving. I never really looked, but yeah, sound looks good. Oof! Oh my goodness, NUVO. Shush. I wonder if that's a scam candle since it hasn't closed yet. But we shall. I hate these. I hate candles like this. And there it is. There it is. There it is. Before we could even finish it, there it is. So whenever you see something stalling a resistance and then it has a fat green candle, be very careful when it comes to FOMOing. Be very careful. Like very careful. Because 9 out of 10 times this becomes a scam. 9 out of 10, it's a scam. Right? So these candles look fun if you're in it. You almost have to take profits though. Because if you forward to a candle like this, oof, 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 congratulations. In your best DJ Khaled voice, you played yourself instead of playing the stonk. But yeah, no, let's see if it can stay above the 9 EMA and then eventually break. If it can actually find a way to close above 7, then I think that's when it's going to push. Good morning, Troy. Ready? Good morning. Good morning. Sheesh, Tesla's about below 185 already. Damn, Tesla. Come on, do better. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. XBP still dipping here. SGE dipping as well. But SGE, my goodness, what an amazing play this was to start the day off. What an amazing play. We caught the bottom on this play. Well, the bottom into the open. Well, the bottom actually. Well, the retest of the bottom. Right? So, again, keep telling you, if you're not a legend member yet, that was the signal, right? It was right there in Discord. And we sat there for a bit, enough time for you to get in, right? So from $1.50 to $3, so 100% signal to start the day off. Beautiful. You would catch the bottom, right? So again, that signal was at the very bottom, and then boom skis. Look at that run. Woof! Let the legends cook. Let the goats cook. Let hot trades cook. Come on. So let's go, DD. Come on. Come on. Let's go. So if you're not a legend member, congratulations. Finish the sentence. If you're not a gold member, congratulations. Finish the sentence. Anyways, I'm kidding. Not. Yeah, so let's see if we can find a higher low for SGE, TCBP. I don't mind what it's doing, just because the candles are still closing in that range for now, Justin. Right, they're still kind of closing in that range, which is good. It's a little bit skeptical, but I don't mind. As long as these candles keep closing above like $2.16. If we can keep closing above that, there's a chance, Justin, for TCBP. Alrighty. NUVO actually looks like it wants to break properly this time, right? Because it actually came back slowly to close above $7. So this to me like looks a lot more appealing than the other stupid green candle, right? Like this looks way more appealing to me, and look at it go, right? So, yep, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, there it goes, 750. There it goes, 755, 760. There it goes. So again, we keep talking about like the differences between breakouts, right? One breakout is a scam. Another breakout is not a scam. Why? Because of the way they're breaking out. There it goes. We're almost back to the highs of the day, right? But we got there two different ways. So if you stay away from like these fat green candles, you're gonna be safe. Stay away, please. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Please and thank you. There we go. 770, guys. And oh my goodness, that's a nasty candle. Eesh. Uh, I'm gonna be quiet. Thanks, grab and then be quiet. Anyways, crazy, crazy. Yeah, I think what CCPP might need to do is just give us smaller candles here, just consolidate a little bit, because that's looking a little bit. Hmm, yeah, it's interesting for sure though. Interesting. Uh, is English anybody's first language? Honestly, well, you know what I mean. Moving on. What are you doing here, TCBP? We need a little doji candle, a little doji candle. Are you with me? Nah, 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 nah. Hmm. Yeah, that thing said no thanks. No thanks to the abyss. No thanks. Yep. We couldn't curl enough to get back above. Regains New York listing compliance. TPET. Hmm, interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure what rule that is. Why are you up? Is Peter not supposed to be up? There we go again for NUVO. NUVO is like, hey guys, you notice how NUVO hasn't closed below the 9 EMA, guys? Look at this. The last time we were below the blue line, guys, the last time we were below the blue line was at $2.60. 260. 260. And then every time we test the blue line, we bounce. Now we're at $7.60. Right? $2, $7.60. 260 to 760 without closing below the blue line. Impressive. So when we talk about the blue line, that's why. That's why. There goes 260. I don't know why you guys even try. I don't know why you even try. You do know, like, I can see the stream settings and quality and stuff like that. Unbelievable. There goes to $7.90. Oof. Thank you, Josh. Rubbish. Hate us. Michelle's mad because I'm hating on Tesla. I am not even hating on Tesla, you know? Tesla needs to do better. That's all I'm saying. We should be at like 190 or 200. Like, this silliness is unacceptable. You know? Come on. Oh, the beat is gone. Oh, I was about to. I almost want to go back and play that first beat actually, because that first beat was nice, and that first beat was very nice. What song am I on here? I'm gonna play the first beat, and then I just have to remember what song I'm on. I'm just gonna add it to the next song. Yeah. Virus, you know what? You know what? You know what? Yeah. The exactly, Troy. Exactly. You added some more June calls. Virus monies. What's TCBP at now? Maybe if we can retest the bottom of the range, that would be cool too. SGE looks like it's popping already, which is nice. Which is nice. Which is nice. I'm itching to send a signal, but I don't really see anything that like is at a nice spot yet. Itching, 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 just like Musty, you know. Oh, no, 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 no. Yep. It's not gonna be NUVO though, so you can play NUVO on your own. That's not a good itch. No, Musty says he was itching for something to buy. Yep, he was itching. Let's go. Josh, have a wonderful day. See you later. After we get to 550, we can dip to 545, Troy, and then go back to 600. You know, I'm kidding, by the way. Yeah, maybe dip and then go for 515 later. $5.15. Yeah, we're sitting at resistance here for NUVO. Oh, you're out for the day? Oh, what are you out of? SPY to $1. You know, if SPY went to $1, that would mean if the S&P went to $1, that means you're most likely hiding in a bunker somewhere because your house is not safe enough. Also, your house is kind of worth zero, worthless. Your retirement is at zero because you're not gonna retire. You're at that point. If the S&P is at zero, you're worried about surviving. Um, Survival is what you're worried about. Yeah. Does it still have a chance? We'll see. This is the first dipski, so let's see if we can get back. If we can get back above 216, then there's a chance. Let's go, Josh. Monies. Yeah, Josh was picking up those calls and dipskis last week. So if you followed, you made monies. You made monies. $3. Azul. Okay. MNDR. Okay. MNDR. A lot. Above $1. Yeah, well done, Musty. Well done. That was a really good call. There goes SGE. SGE. There goes 270. We're approaching that supply zone now, so your next resistance is 275. $2.75. Cool. Here we go. There's 274. That thing's at 275. I'm here. I'm breaking it. There you go. So 275. Let's see if we can close above it, though. Right. Let's see if we can close above it. Sheesh, Tesla is getting NSAT. I blame Virus and Michelle. Michelle was talking too much rubbish, and they're like, "Yep, Tesla, go to the zero." So we haven't closed about 275 yet. What is this? TCBP still dropping here? Yeah. Let's see how close we can get actually to the to retesting the 200. That might be cool. Here we go again. 277. 277. And there we go. We're failing, right? So 275 is a problem. It's a problem. It's a problem. TCBP looks interesting, close to $2, Justin. So we'll see. Maybe it needs time to consolidate. What song is this? Did they just skip my song request to play the first song? Oh, you know, suck it. Uh, 201. Okay, let's see if we test it. Let's see. Yeah, it would have been nice if we came back all the way down. I don't know if we will. I'm just waiting. And I'm gonna wait. Oh, never mind. They did play the song. Yeah. Yeah, SGE looks nice. It looks nice. Oof, look at that candle. There's your $3. There's your $3. Kidding. Yeah, it's vibes, isn't it? Yeah. There's your $3, Hamza. So $3 resistance. Be careful, but it came back. So if you wanted it, well, you wanted to sell at $3. There's your $3. XBP is looking good. Yeah, it looks better now. So we finally have a higher low, and it's trying to reclaim the 200. So break above the 200, bunny, retest it, hold, send it. Cool. Yeah, so it looks good. Looks good. I like what it's doing. I need SGE to get back above $3, consolidate, so we can send it. This is like disco music, you know? Back in the day when and there goes the $3 double top. Anyways, yeah. Oh wow, that thing said yeah, $3. The 200, yeah, it broke above the 200 really quickly. Oh wow. Yeah, forget the retest, bunny. Oh come on, William. Come on. That was meant to. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what it means, William. Anyways. Hamza, did you sell your position or you're still in there? Because that thing basically just double topped. So again, when something is sitting close to resistance, you don't have to sell it, but you should at least move your stop loss high. Because you know there's the probability of like there's a reason why we talk about double top still, right? There's a reason why we talk about double top. It's because it happens so much, right? So much, and then when it happens and you FOMO, you're like, oh my god, but like, oh my god, why did I buy a double top? Um, but so when we get to resistance, whether it's a double top, a triple top, whatever it is, make sure your stop loss goes up, right? You can always get back in if it breaks above that level. But we don't want you buying double tops though, right? Or buying a position and then getting to resistance and then waiting all the way back down. My stop loss at $3, but it's not triggered. Why? Because you put your stop loss at $3 and it hit $3, but it hit the price, not the bid. It hit the ask, so then it dropped. So this is why sometimes again, like yes, it's one thing to have a sell limit. You also have to worry about the downside because you just lost 50 cents for no good reason. Right? You just went from $3 to $2.46 for no reason. Right? So yes, it's fun to have limits, and when they hit, beautiful. Also, like instead of doing this is why same thing applies to stop losses. Instead of setting a stop loss at $2, you're better off setting a stop loss at $1.99. Instead of setting a sell limit for $3, you're better off setting a stop loss for $2.99. Right? Instead of setting, because everybody's doing the same thing. If I ask you, hey, this stock is at $4, where do you think you want to sell it? $5, right? Um, $5. How many times do you see a stock go to 4.90 instead of hitting $5? It crashes. That's because everybody's like, oh yeah, I'm ready. You want $5? I'm gonna right. So exactly, exactly. So it's resistance. $3 is resistance. It's also a psychological level. So a whole bunch of people are selling at that level. So then you're waiting in line. That extra 5 cents, $2.95 makes no difference to you. Makes no difference. But it makes sure your position executes. So now you're hoping for a higher low and then another push. Hopefully it happens. Hopefully it happens. Uh, la, 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 la. Oh wow. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Uh, mm, choo, 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 choo. Hmm. Kev. Kev up. Do, 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 do. Sounds good. Sounds good. hmm, yeah, yeah, whatever signal I just sent, I meant to post it a little bit differently. Yeah, because you can kind of see that it doesn't look right, does it? It doesn't. That's because I messed it up. That's because I messed it up. So I just edit. And there it is. SPY is scamming, like scamming up or scamming down. Uh, yeah, okay, I'll fix this. Scamming up. I like scams up. I like scamming up. I like green. I like green. Market is strong today. Yeah, exactly. So I want to see SPY at 520 at the end of the week. We joked about that last week, right? So yep, I want to see it. Yeah, that's impressive, Musty. That's a very good call. Very, very good call. Mm, you know what I'm gonna do here? Uh, because I don't like what it's doing there. Way too slow. $14.90. Okay. Yeah, like 52-week highs maybe. Yeah, that thing lost all the volume, all the volume. So that's why I wanted to move that stop up, because it might not exactly play out as we want it to, because it's failing at the 9. So if it doesn't bounce, then meh, right? So you're better off keeping it really tight than holding it too long. Deal? Yeah, cool. Okay. Anyways, yeah, Musty, let me. Yeah, that thing is dropping to $2. There it is. Right. So I just don't like how slow it is when it's trying to bounce, because then that becomes a problem. Right. So now just watch and see if it stays above the 200 there. Yeah. That's your average. Okay. Yeah. So watch the 200 there. You almost want to make sure that, like, when something is sitting at support, right? When it's sitting at support, right? When it's sitting at support and it's trying to curl, like, it should curl with some volume. If it's curling but it's sitting there too long, you're better off making a decision immediately. Otherwise, you have a problem. Right? So, like, the curl has to come through with volume. Deal. So Palantir still looks good. Let me take a look at CADL. La. That's a really nice run, Musty. You know what's crazy is the volume is still so weak. The volume is so weak, but and I think this was a nice stop loss save. Exactly right. You have to keep it really tight. You have to keep it really tight. Otherwise, again, if you see something not working, right? If you see a red flag, make a decision immediately, because there's always going to be a good one and another one and another one and another one, right? So you're better off taking a 2 cent loss, and then make that money like it's nothing easily. Then you sit there and you let it grow to 10 cents and then 20 cents and then 50 cents. Then you're like, what the hell? I agree. Keep it tight. There you go. Yeah. True. There you go. Nah. Yeah, especially if it's been showing you weakness, right? So, because then you're dealing with stuff like this. So, hopefully that makes sense. XBP came back down from the VWAP bunny, so support around $3.30. SGE again doubles up, right back down, right? NUVO, same $7, $8 resistance, failing. Support around 650 if we can stay above that. CADL, my goodness, what a monster. AGBA looks okay. It's slowly coming back. AGBA. AGBA. Mullen, okay. Yeah, SGE with a little comeback here. Okay, permissions. Whoa. What channel is that? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Perfect. Come on, Mullins at 40%. Yeah, Mullin's been doing really well lately. Mullin. Yeah, 40%. Sheesh. $6. It's a pretty good comeback. It's a really good comeback. Misha, did you play Mullin this time or no? 275. Okay. 85. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, TCBP looks like it's holding $2 for now, kind of. Again, still don't like the volume, but maybe it can stay above $2. No, okay. There you go, 65. Yeah, your FOMO was quite interesting. Just don't let it become one of those plays, Justin. You know, one of those that you hold all day and it never comes back. Because I feel like every day you have one of those. Every day. So please, I'll find you. Okay, let me look at my calendar. Okay, perfect. Disconnect. There you go, 75. You're back to even. Yeah, Justin, again, 275 is resistance. So you're sitting right at that resistance. If we can close above it, that's perfect. So you just need like 5 more cents. There you go. 3 more. Come on. There you go. There you go. Did it fail? Oh, I don't know if it did. That's why I hate these run numbers. That's why I hate these numbers. But okay, maybe this time. Maybe this. There you go. Woof! Oh my goodness. There you go, Hamza. Hamza's back. Hamza's back to $3. Is your exit still at $3, Hamza? We failed at 299, 298 this time, so people are still taking profits before $3. Let's go, SGE. Come on, just break $3. Let's go here. 97, 97, 98. Come on. And we're failing again. So all the profit takers are running. Uh, from Let's go, Hamza. Let's go. Good job. Yeah, see? You sold that thing and it's back in the 80s, right? So instead of putting your limit for $3, especially when the stock is up 160%, like everybody's doing the same thing. So, yeah, right? So that's a little lesson. I mean, just the fact that we're testing it for the third time, we might actually break it this time, but still, just a good practice, right? Like instead of putting your stop loss at $10, everybody's gonna do the same thing. How about you put your stop loss at 9.99, 9.98? Instead of putting a stop loss at $5, big level. How about 4.98, 4.95, 4.90, right? So all of these levels they seem like they mean nothing, but they really are important. So you see how we keep failing at that level, and we're back to 280 almost, and we still haven't crossed $3, right? So yep, yeah. To enter some puts, okay. Yeah, IMCE was on the list coming into this week. Wolf, that thing had some vibes, some vibes. Do, 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 do. Okay, let me see here actually. War. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that, right? So we just failed at $3 again, and we're back to $2 and retesting 270. So again, instead of using big levels, just use smaller numbers. AGBA, deep skis. CADL, deep skis. TCBP. Hmm. Maybe this would have been the gamble at $2. Maybe that thing looks sus though, but yeah. Margin account, cash account, Kodak cash account. Z cash account is your answer. If we go back up to like 295 and above, we're gonna break $3. Because then that would just confirm a higher low and a potential cup and handle. So if we go back up there, we're gonna crush $3. For how long? Who knows? But if we can go back up there, that'd be good. Mara broke $20. Ooh wee, beautiful. So again, Pablo spammed some Mara news, and Mara was in the watch list coming into this week. Why? Because Bitcoin was having a good weekend, right? And also, Mara is getting added to the Russell, to the S&P small cap or whatever index, but not the big boys, but like the pre. So, yep, Mara looks good. Mara looks good. So, there you go. Yeah, earnings. Yep. Yeah, Thursday, Friday on the yeah, whatever day that was. Anyways, there goes SGE now. Did we break $3? Now we have. There it goes. It's a scam though, isn't it? Again, we've said this so many times. When your stock gets to resistance and it's a big green candle, it's a scam. They're trying to catch you. Right? Technically, broke above $3, new highs of the day, right? So $3.25. But it was a scam because that thing barely lasted 2 seconds above $3, and then immediately back to 270. So it's not a breakout unless it closes above. It's not a breakout, so don't FOMO into stuff. thinking that, oh, but it broke the price. That's not a breakout. A breakout is not about breaking a specific price. Um, Alrighty, so two, 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 two. Okay, I see. Yep. Okay. It's a scandal. People who entered on that candle. Yep. Can you imagine buying that thing? Oof, somebody did. Somebody obviously did. Right? Somebody bought $3. Why you would buy $3? I don't know. Somebody bought 310. Somebody bought 320. Somebody did. So that person isn't watching Hot Trades though, are they? Zach Morris is pumping AMC of all names. He's pumping AMC. Uh, oh, there he is. Zach Morris. Oh lordy. He's like, send us to $4 before ER. AMC. He bought some AMC calls. It seems some. Hmm. I mean, at least he knows that he's taking YOLOs. At least he knows the YOLOs. What's AMC doing? He wants to go back. Here's his red. Oh my days. So I mean, it looks like he's just taking an earnings gamble. Oh my goodness, AMC's red. I was opening AMC, expecting to see like one fat green candle. Nope, red, 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 red. Sheesh. Anyways, yeah. I mean, it might be a good gamble. At least he knows it's a lottery play. So I'm gonna send that to Pablo since Pablo is on vacation and he's sleeping in. He's sleeping in. Oh, there's Pablo. Oh my goodness, Pablo's in the chat. Let's say nice things. Nice things, nice things. Yeah. After yeah. Well, Elon did not say that. Elon responded to a comment. I've seen a whole bunch of comments like that, Musty. People saying, "Oh, Elon is saying this." There's someone posted that. It's not like Elon just randomly posted that. No, context is always important, isn't it? Somebody said, "Hey, Warren Buffett is selling. Has all this cash. Warren Buffett should invest in Tesla." Elon just responded saying, "That's the obvious choice." He wasn't out there pumping anything. Uh, you don't want to waste 7 a.m. Pablo? Yeah, especially in the morning. Like it seems so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Spice dipping. May 10th. May 10. Wait. Tesla's below 184. From 187 to 184, below 183.50. You guys see why I trash Tesla so much now? Trash. Yep. Yeah. That's why. Let's go. Come on, Justin. Let's go. Let's go, monies. Yeah, exactly, Pablo. The fresh air, the breeze, everything beautiful. Yeah. Yep. Well done. Virus, they're gonna send you to jail. I'm telling you. You have to stop, crashing Tesla. Yeah. Yeah. No wonder Apple's been selling off because Warren Buffett has been dumping it. Dumping it. 65. Okay. I won it this week. Yeah. Yeah. You should be very close if you're hitting 1,000 a day. So well done. Well done, skis. AMC is bouncing actually, guys. They're pumping AMC now. Sheesh, AMC is about to go from red to green. Well, yeah. So it looks like the pumpers are out. 3 cents in the red. Still red. But only 3 cents in the red. That thing moves like a snail. And there goes. Not yet, Pablo. Not yet. Not yet. He must know something that we don't though. So he must know something. If he came back and he's pumping like that, he knows something. You know. The spy pumpers. Spy pumpers. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. Turn off. But I bought some space last week. You couldn't resist, Dennis. Space of all the garbage in the market. Of all the garbage in the market, even AMC. I'm kidding, by the way. Let me go take a look. Space. 10%? Oh yeah, you're up 10%. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. I only said that because of Iris, by the way. Anyways, yeah, there you go. 85 cents. You're green. So there's no way you go red on this name, right, Dennis? Right? Right? Even I gave up on space. I know. Yep. Uh, uh, okay. 7, 8. Perfect. Yeah, Dennis, no, that's perfect. You should be good. SGE is coming back again. Woof, what a beauty. What an absolute beauty. This stock doesn't know how to give up. So maybe we're going to get 1,500% out of this, you know? If we can actually break $3 and close above, then that's it. Like, that's it. Just send it. Break $3, close above it, and send it. And let pizza FOMO, you know? TCBP is just still kind of playing in this range here. Super slow. This is why I didn't like it initially, because of the slowness. So yeah. Okay, sounds good, Dennis. Yeah, maybe you get a nice run. Earnings reaction. Some really fun names report earnings this week, actually. Some really fun names. Let me pull up the calendar. So Palantir reports tonight, as you know. And then there's a whole bunch. Lucid actually reports tonight. Hibs or Hars also reports tonight, which is interesting. Huh. That's interesting that they report tonight. Very interesting. And then tomorrow, Disney reports, Datadog reports, Nicola in the morning, a whole bunch. And then at night, I mean, you can see the list, right? ARM, Uber reports on Wednesday. Affirm, Airbnb, AMC reports on Wednesday. Beyond reports on Wednesday. TTD, Sound reports on Thursday with Mara. Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Let's see. Come on, spy. Send it to the moon. Take virus with you. Ooh, TCBP with a little bounce there. Maybe Justin, you finally get those monies back. Finally get those monies back. There you go. It's like one slow penny at the time. My goodness. One tiny, tiny penny. But the 200. We should have waited a little bit for the 200 because it's a usual, like a usual consolidation zone, right? So I think we just, yeah, 15 more cents. Yeah. You need like a fat green candle there. So not too bad. Not too bad at $2 if you waited for $2. Right? With a really tight stop loss, not bad. If they can find volume from somewhere. From somewhere. Fingers crossed. Okay, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. NRXP. Don't forget to smash a like, please and thank you. Let's get to 100 likes, please and thank you. Pretty please. So yeah, smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Come join us in Discord. Come join us. I'm just looking. I don't really see anything yet. Don't see anything there yet. Yep, nothing. So for now, we just hang and we wait. We wait for the next scalpy. Unless TCBP wants to rocket here, which would be cool too. Yeah, let me go take a look at that alert. NRXP. NRXP 60%. It's a good breakout actually. Yep. Good breakout, good retest. And a good pump. So just watching some of these names. And SGE doesn't look like it's done, does it? But it still needs to get back above 3 though. Still needs to get back above $3. $3. Come on, something, send it. Two. That's crazy. I'm just scanning through the silly news here. Crazy. Uh, okay. Yep. Fail again. Fail again. Good morning, Curtis. Uh, Ken says dumb question. If I join, like, do I get immediate access to everything at that level? I asked because I'm tempted to join. It said billing starts on June 6th. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, Ken, you should get access. Yeah, yeah. You should get access immediately. I'm not sure why it's saying that. I have no idea. Maybe they're giving you a discount. YouTube does some stuff. I have no control over that stuff, honestly. Like sometimes YouTube will offer you a discount, and then like it's weird stuff. Sometimes people are like, I got 10% off. I'm like, I don't know. I have no idea. Uh, then sometimes people are like, oh, it cost an extra $5. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, like a month out. Let's go. We'll hit 20. Mara's at $20 today, Curtis. What do you mean? What do you mean? Anyways, SGE is back to 290 here. If we can just break about $3 and close above it, and then just pump it after that. Just pump it. But yeah, so you should get access. But I think maybe they're referring to your next cycle, maybe like Virus said. It broke on the 20. Okay, yeah, it's because the entire market is selling off. It seems. Yeah. See, the reason why I'm hesitating on answering that question, Curtis, is because earnings like is Thursday, where this is Monday morning, right? So I don't think you should really be worried about Thursday, right? You have all day today, all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, and then all day Thursday before earnings. So there's so much that's happening before we get there, right? So yep. Anyways, yeah, and NRXP is still looking good. That thing actually pushed all the way up there. Wow. NRXP. No, 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 no. Uh, okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Curtis, what's your position, by the way? Like, what are you holding? Looks pretty interesting. Volume creeping up all the yeah. No, it's been on the watch list for sure. Um, Gorilla. Gorilla was yeah, and they had news this morning too. I think. Yep, they did. So I think the last time we looked at this, look at that, right? That beautiful double bottom. So I mean, and this was posted as a swing play, right? This was posted in the swing channel as a swing play. So if you we talked about these two circles here, right? Virus, be quiet. No answer. Nothing from you. These circles mean nothing to you, Virus. But yeah, that was a beautiful double bottom. So if you bought that thing and you were swinging it, like it's been creeping up, creeping up. So your next resistance is like $6.30. If you can clear 630, then pump it to 670, and then beyond that. But yeah, no, it's done well. Done well. Done well. Uh, on TradingView, current price is. Are you green on those calls though, Musty? Are you green or red? You should be green. Are you green or red? Because if you have 15 minutes delay, then I have 15 minutes delay. Ian, you're red. Sheesh, must be. Sheesh. Anyways, there goes 290. 290 for SGE. $2.90. Give us $3 here already. Watch, it's gonna be one of those big candles. You wanna see the daily? To Euronext Amsterdam. Oof. I mean, hopefully you have time on these calls, because if you do, then I think you're gonna be fine. But hopefully you do. This thing has no volume. No volume. Yeah, Curtis, for now I would just manage that position day by day, and then when you get to like Thursday or Wednesday or whenever, then because you're green on that position for now. So I would not worry about earnings. Forget about earnings. Just focus on today and then tomorrow, and then we can talk about you got in you okay some calls, okay, nice, nice. Yeah, I think virus took those profits on his calls. Will, what did you get into? What did you get into? What did you buy? When you say everything, you what did you buy? May 17. Okay, you have a little bit of time then. Hopefully it goes up the bottom there. You're holding some, okay. Mara again. Will become a goats. Upgrade to goats. Let's get a one-on-one, and then let's see what you're doing. Cause I don't know how you're red on Mara. You must have bought Mara at $20, and you shouldn't be buying Mara at $20, right? Because Mara is like 30 cents from the highs of the day. So if you most likely bought this thing like right there, which exactly is not a good entry if it's double topping, right? So you see exactly virus. So and TCBP we kind of talked about it, right? SGE we talked about $3. If you're red on SGE, that means you're buying as well at resistance, right? You're buying at the price that we're clearly saying not to buy, not to buy, not to buy, not to buy, right? Clearly supply. So again, if you're struggling with that, again, become a goat. Invest in yourself, right? Mara is 20 cents from the highs of the day after pumping $2.30. So if you're red on Mara, you FOMO at the highs. So I don't know what. Yeah. So again, please don't buy SGE at resistance. Please, pretty please. Like anywhere in this range, you can see all these wicks. Not an entry. Not an entry. Are you thinking about a call in Tesla? I don't like Tesla. Come on, yes. You wanted to break down? Sheesh. Uh, Marco, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Honestly, when it comes to Tesla options, puts is always the way to go. It seems. Oh, join Discord and ask Virus because Virus is holding puts. Virus plays Tesla like a criminal. Well, at least I do. Rubbish. I beat you last time, pizza. Was it Sunday? I slapped you. Unbelievable. Or Saturday. One of those days, I slapped you, and then you had to leave because you were sad. And then you came back and cheated. You took your phone to Christian. Na, na, na. Anyways, come on, something give us the boomskis. Violence, Veronica, violence. Pizza deserves violence. BIOL to report Q4 May 13. Cool. It's not a good enough catalyst, is it? Not a good enough catalyst. Yeah, the time to buy calls for Tesla was close to 175. Right? If you look at that for again, I posted a Tesla chart over the weekend in Discord, and Virus has talked about that level quite a bit. So, yeah, one of those levels. Okay, Marco, come join us in Discords. I don't know what you're waiting for. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Uh, uh, okay, let me show you guys a video. Okay, let me show you guys a video, and then let me show you guys a video. Is that a hashtag? No, that's not a hashtag. Uh, there's a video from last night actually. Oh, I can't seem to find that video anymore. Uh, oh yeah, there it is. Okay, perfect. What do you think about over leveraging? Don't do it. Don't do it. So watch. What do you? Yeah, yeah. Look at this video. This tells you like how far ahead Tesla is. So this is way more. This is way more. These are cars that are approved to drive on their own. Look at that damn thing. It's going the wrong way. The damn thing is going the wrong way, okay? Like it's going the wrong way. That car is going these cars are approved to drive on the damn road. Like you can get one of these things and you can drive you like they can pick you up. That thing is going the wrong way. The damn thing is going the wrong way. Okay? Like it's going the wrong way. And then now, let me show you a Tesla. Okay, let me show you a Tesla self-driving thing. Look at this. Like there's just different levels. So that that's Tesla leaving a parking garage. Like it's leaving a parking garage on its own. Okay, a parking garage on its own. A parking garage on its own. Leaving a parking garage. A parking garage. So this dude said he left a Toronto like FC game, so he was watching a football game, a soccer game, and then now the car is driving home on its own at night from a parking garage at night. Look at that! Look at navigating like construction signs. It's a four-way stop signs. I think that's pretty impressive. I think that's impressive. And it's not like it's just driving on the highway. It's not really. No, it's not going that fast. I mean, I'm glad they fast forwarded the video because imagine watching this whole video in slow motion. That would be annoying. I don't know, Will. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Uh, Yeah. Can you imagine a blind visiting another handicap with a Tesla? Probably. Yeah. I think that's cool. I think that's like years ahead. Look at that. At night. At night. At night. Ooh, the cars. Like, what the hell's going on here? Look at this though. Like, look at all these cars. Like, look at all those cars in the middle of the road. There's like one lane. It's like one lane. I think most people get confused. Like when the light is flashing like that, like flashing red, a lot of people get confused. They're like, what do I do? Like, do I just stop? Arrest a ghost? No, I think for now, like you have to like sit there though. So they're not gonna. Yeah, I don't know. And pizza. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Is that a like? What is this? Oh, the road is blocked. Almost. Let's see. I want to see what happens here, and then we can move on. I want to see what happens, then we can move on. What if someone carjacks it? What do you mean? You're sitting in the car. You're gonna be in the car. They'll hijack the car whether you're in there or not in there. Also, I'm sure the measures around that. Don't want Tesla to succeed. Asian countries give him an island or two to. Yeah, exactly. Live double. I think yeah, it's a lot of it is politics. Like if you can approve a car that drives on the road and goes on the opposite lane, and then you watch a video like this, what the hell are you like? What more do you need, right? Like if you can approve some other, I bet you the other company it's owned by somebody else, though, right? Well, anyways, that's it's stuck in traffic now. Stuck in traffic. Okay, I guess they finally made it out of traffic. I'll just fast forward the video and like see when the dude actually gets home. So from navigating a parking garage to like cities, like these little tiny one lane roads to getting on the highway and doing it right. So that video kind of explains that video explains a lot of stuff. Driving on the highway and speeding. I bet you to some degree it navigates like by looking at who's behind, and yeah, or maybe it just doesn't drive. Yeah, I don't know. Interesting. I want to fast forward the video to when the dude gets home. I think that's pretty cool, and I think that's where I think this is where we're eventually going to end up. You know how that you see like you notice how they're taking like most of like life is taking away control from like people. So I think eventually we're going to end up here. And also like humans just like easy stuff, right? Like everything we do as a society is moving towards like ease of like we just want to be lazy. So we just want to be lazy. Is the dude not home yet? Dang, maybe he doesn't want to. It's a pretty far drive. Sheesh. He could have taken a nap this whole time. Again, he's driving at nighttime. Nighttime. And no accidents. And he's navigated some pretty sketchy parts of the drive. I think he's almost home now. Yeah, I think he's home now. Yeah, he's like, I don't want to show you guys my address. Um, that's cool though, isn't it? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, nothing's really moving, guys. Nothing really moving for now. So Tesla's back above $20. Tesla's at the highs at it, not Tesla, sorry. And it shouldn't be at $20. Mara is back about $20. So Will, you're back to even. You're back to green, right? You should be green. You should be green. So again, you notice what you did wrong there, right? That thing had to dip, and it dipped, and this was a beautiful area, back above the night EMA, and then boom skis highs of the day. So highs of the day, highs of the day. Yeah, Mara looks nice, very nice, very nice. Finch with some news. Finch, FNCH. Can yeah. Uh, yeah. Yep. Yep. That's cool. I think the only issue with Tesla is because Elon runs the company, and he's become very vocal. He's become very vocal. Yeah, very vocal. Ooh, have you guys seen the Tesla? What is it called? Ooh, not there's a what's that account called again? Tesla something. Yeah, Tesla Optimus. Again, this video is it's still that this video isn't that cool, but this is just the like this is the Tesla robot, right? This is the Tesla robot. It's working. I think they're just doing like simple tasks, but that this task is not as that's a battery, by the way. These are like little battery cells, right? So to a degree, it's being useful, right? I remember the last earnings call, not this earnings call, the one before the so two earnings calls ago. You can do that, Dan. I know you can, but I hope you can. But but the whole point of this is to eliminate. So they're saying the whole point of this is eliminate these repetitive tasks that humans do, so humans can do more creative things, right? So I can do that. Yes, they're trying to eliminate like repetitive stuff, right? So um, yeah. Also, Elon said Optimus will be more valuable than everything else that Tesla does, which is impressive. Like if dude is saying that this is going to be more valuable than everything else that they do is interesting, isn't it? But it does walk like anyways, you said it. Oh my goodness, it does. That thing walks like somebody has something up some where. Hi robots. It's a damn robot. The damn thing is like, you know what? I'm revolting. That was hard work. I'm leaving. Yep, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. My shift is over. But I don't have a home. So I'm just gonna walk around until my next shift. It's like, okay, fine. I took my break. I'm back. Back to work. I'm back to work. Look at the other robots. They're like other robots being tested in the corner. Those ones look aggressive, though. Why did I short and cute? Yep. Yep. Yeah. Elon posted that. Oh yeah, Elon posted that. You can tell like they're yeah. This was this we've seen this one already though. Yeah, Bernie, I don't know. I don't know. I think they should just focus on, like, it's folding a shirt. So maybe it's gonna do your laundry for you. Yeah. Anyways, whatever. Meh. Oh well. SGE Dipskis. Mara highs of the day. Yeah. You can do that faster. That's not the point, Musty. That's not the point. That's not the point. The point is not that it's doing something that humans can't do. Yep. Those the Mara calls. Yeah. Yeah, Mara looks very nice. Will, are you back to even? If you sold this thing, Will, I'm gonna slap you. What's your entry price, Will? Let me know. What did you get in ad? Uh, but do you want to do it faster? That's a good question. Exactly. Without complaining, exactly. And it's the for free. Well, you know what I mean. Not for free, but I bet you that robot is gonna cost, like, you know what? Let's say $20,000 for a robot, right? How much do you think you can hire a human to do that job for the entire year? You're gonna pay a human $20,000? I don't think so. 50? Don't think so. So yeah, I want one to cook. Yeah. So added more at 20. Okay, you're green still. Uh, yeah, yeah. I need Wednesday off. I need a raise. Humans are like, I need a raise. I need Wednesday off. Hi, my husband, my wife is so I need a vacation. Nope. I need a mental. I need a mental whatever you want to call it, a mental break. Nope, 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 nope. And a lot of jobs are very repetitive. Right? So mental health day. I need a mental health day. The bot doesn't need a mental health day because of really. Oh, my employees. I need a mental health day. Can I take a mental health day? Sky's like, no. Get back to work. What do you mean? You just so much walking around doing nothing? You're not wrong. Exactly, Troy. Exactly. Show me your mental. I'll give you a day off. I have a mechanic appointment. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I need service. I need oil. I need to be charged. Something. Well, to be charged, yes. I need an update. It pays off to be good to your employees. I mean, you can be not good to the robots, and nobody's gonna care. You can slap the robots. You know, if your employee is not doing anything, you're gonna go to jail. Yep, yep, yep. So it'll be interesting to see where Tesla is in like a year or two, in 5 years. See if they've done some updates. If they've done some updates, you know. I do think though that video of like that video driving from a parking garage to driving all the way home, I think that's impressive. Because I don't think you can put any more like crazier obstacles in front of a car than that, and it passes. I think that's pretty sick. So I think that's pretty sick. You know. Yep. So all the drunk drivers, not that you should be drinking and driving, you shouldn't. But some people are gonna, you know. Uh, yep. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yes, 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 yes. Yeah. But then again, Sky works in like one of those industries, though. High stress. Anyways, like SGE doesn't look like it's done yet. That thing just keeps fighting back and fighting back and fighting back. So if SGE can break about $3, maybe. He's bringing it over on Sunday, James. To let me out. Let's go. Love it. Spy puts need a little bit of a dip, so you can. Okay, sounds good. Some spy putties, spy puts. Yeah, let's see what the S&P does at the end of the day. Let's see what we do at the end of the day. Oh, I need to respond to this. I was going to yes. Uh, putting limits. Monies. Yes, virus. Yeah. I see it. Yeah. Yeah. Tim, about a couple getting a robot assistant more than an Android in Hangout. I'll take a look. Tim, is it a good movie or does the robot like revolts? Hmm. You notice how like all these movies and like eventually that's how it's gonna be. I feel eventually. Spoilers. No, 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 no. Eventually, try to. Come on, SGE, pump it already. Cool. TCBP above the 50. Yeah, and then the 200. So basically, we just need to get above $2. It seems. What's NUVO doing, game? Cool. And Mara still looks really nice, like really nice. Oof, Mara. Oof, Mara. Ooh, Mara. Yeah. Bitcoin a big with a green candle. Yeah. because marriage is following along. Ooh, Mara. I'm nauseous and sleepy. Which one first? You're nauseous and sleepy? You should sleepy first. Sleepy first. So, if you're nauseous, then go to bed. Maybe when you wake up, and then you're gonna be not nauseous. You know, your body will be like, recovered, recovered. Okay. No, as long if you're nauseous and you haven't had any food, then you're not gonna throw up, right? TCBP with a pop them. Maybe that thing will finally give you a run after 100 years. 100 years. There we go. No, no, I don't know. I just thought maybe, usually when you're sick, you just naps, nap, and then recovered. If you're feeling nauseous, maybe you need to maybe you need to throw up and then go eat some food, something good. Some foods are good for you when you're nauseous. Follow me for more doctor advice. Just kidding. Uh, for SPY, you're cutting up. Okay, if we break. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I can see the market's rebounding there. Yogurt? Yeah, exactly. Pizza. Yeah, yeah, I like yogurt. Maybe some like toast, something. Yeah, banana rice and toast. Yeah, yep. Organic. Yeah, pizza. I need some organic food. Pizza. Go. Oh, I'll tell you something, pizza. Go. You work from home all the time, right, pizza? Ooh, pizza. You need to move then. Go watch this documentary on pizza. Okay. Uh, Go watch this documentary. Watch all of it. The end is pretty cool. Because someone was sick, and then the doctor was like, "Yeah, you have like 6 months, 3 months left to live," and then they moved. And then everything changed. It's stuff like that. The documentary is called. I don't know if anybody's seen it, but let me see if I can find it. It was really good. Like it was really eye opening. It's called. Was it a? By the way, Virus, there's a new Cat Williams special on Netflix. Ooh. Uh, why? Yeah, it's called Live to 100 Pizza. Live to 100 Secrets of the Blue Zone. Go watch it. Not kidding. You really should. You really should. Like nutrition and environment. Yeah. No, really no secrets in this one. Virus. 3 weeks. Really, Musty? Dang. So you're just gonna stay there? Sheesh. AGBA is pumping. AGBA is always fighting to come back. Yep, that's a nice comeback. Is that the high of today? No, not yet. High of today is 410-ish for AGBA. SGE is not giving up. That thing just won't die. $280. Yeah, GME. Yeah. You eat outside every day? Dang. Yeah, turkey? Yeah. Justin, yeah, I know. Yep. Oh, okay. Sounds good. Turkey. Oh, yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, some places are really like it's yeah. Some places are cheaper. I can do that 1 week and I'll be the rest of the month. Yep. Yep. There goes the AGBA. Oof, nice. Nice. Oh wow. Yeah, so previous high was right there. So yeah, 1 409 410. Not for some reason. Yep. There you go. Dear Blaze, you've been invited to participate in on a Big Brother. Check your email for further details. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. This is urgent warning. Whose account is this? I want to know who this is. Who is this? Someone's gonna. Who is this? This is urgent. Yeah. Anyways, you have to apply for Big Brother to be accepted. Also, you have to apply for Big Brother. Hello, my name is Peter. I like cookies and sandwiches and fried rice. I like taking pictures of anyways, and I want to be on Big Brother because I'm the best. No, I Big Brother seems like fun though, but no, I did not apply for Big Brother. So whoever's account this is, scam. Anyways, no Big Brother, naked and afraid. I am naked and afraid. Would I go naked and afraid? No way in hell. No way in hell. Why people do that? You know how people go naked and afraid? They're like, oh, yeah, I want to prove to my kids, I want to prove to myself that I'm strong and I want to do it. I can do it. Get that rubbish out of my face. Are you kidding me? You want me to sleep in the woods with snakes instead of sleeping in a bed eating food so I can haunt? I can have, like, mosquitoes eat me alive? And then I can eat like little bugs and leaves in the woods. I did that already in the village, you know? There's no point in doing that now. There's no point. You know, we had to walk for hours to go get food and carry the food on your head and then come back. Don't really feel like doing that anymore, you know? Yeah, let's not do that, please. For it's a little dude. You know what, Sky? You know what? See what I have to deal with Dan? Unbelievable. They want to get away from their kids. Yeah, I want to show my kids that whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. There's other ways of showing that, I get that. I get that. Little brother Troy. I get that. Yeah. Also, most of the time when people say like I'm doing this with my kids, I'm like, okay, really? Really? No, you're not. Like, no, you're not. I think people should normalize doing stuff for themselves, Like, I'm doing this for myself because I feel like I want to do it. I want to do it. Don't need to make excuses. Anyways, Mara looks like fire. Fire, Mara. Uh, is always filmed in Canada, in the Arctic, and the price is 1 million. Yeah, it's okay. I don't want to die though. Sometimes the money isn't worth it. Yeah. Why did it have to be naked? No one needs bug bites in the junk. Exactly. Exactly. And then now you're naked and afraid with a complete stranger. And now your junk is both your junks are both outside. It's like, come on, dude. Come on. Anyways. I watched one episode, right? This guy was there with this girl, and they were both naked, and then this girl was like exhausted. You could see like she was exhausted, like like they were both exhausted and tired and hungry. It was a few days, right? It was a few days, and like this girl was like, she stood up one time and then she fainted, like she fell backwards and she fainted. Dang. And then so now this dude was like, you could tell this dude was like low key in love with this girl, okay? And then this dude like stole food from he sneaked at night and he stole food from the producers. And then the producer they were watching the video, the feed. They're like, this dude stole food. So they kicked both of them off the show. And then this dude was like, yeah, she was starving. I couldn't, They're like, get out of get out of here. Get out of here. Mara looks nice. Yep. Yeah. The shelter burned down. Kimber, you remember that? Yeah, that's the one. How the hell do you remember that? Wow. Sheesh. Uh, okay. Ooh, Mara looks nice. Mara looks very nice. Mara on the wall. Who's the bestest of them all? But have since learned it's not all legit. Okay, yeah. I mean, these reality shows have a looks like AGBA double top for now, guys. Right, double top. So if AGBA can break out, that'd be good. That would be good. AGBA. AGBA. Lira. Only thing holding it down, it yeah, Lira. Okay. Yup. I know these shows are all sus. Yeah. Do you watch Big Brother? Troy, since it's in Toronto, it's like your people. Big Brother Canada. Big Brother Canada. Uh, Dang, Mara's not stopping. That was that crap. Unless they pay play for money, it's definitely yeah. No, most of them are paid to play though. Most of them you get paid to be on there. I guess I don't know. I don't know. Survivor. Oh, Survivor is my favorite show. Survivor. Yeah, is it and the Amazing Race? You are? I'm applying for Survivor right now. Are you actually applying, Sky? Do you watch it? And big chair, big head, big toilets. Agree. Listen to. Yeah, I'm out for the day. Let's go. Thank you, Bernie. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Watched. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. Yeah. Like if you're just doing stuff, you don't need to like pay attention to it. Like if you're just you're working and you can just play it in the background. Peter, please watch it. Watch it because we need to get you to move to a different environment. So play it in the background. Ready? Please. The OG Survivor is the best. Yeah. Am I watching the current Survivor? I am. I watch every episode of Survivor, but the day after it airs. You just made your audition tape? Oh wow, Sky. Dang. Maybe I should apply for Survivor. Hi, my name is Blaze. I like cookies and long walks on the beach. My favorite stock is AMC, and I hate Tesla. Hmm. Uh, uh, this Wednesday, yeah. Sky, okay. Your TV show, like yours? Oh, dang. Okay. We need more details. As soon as you got there, they're like, oh, wait, wait. Our first challenge is in the water. Jump in the water. I'm like, yeah, you know what, guys? You know what? It's time to go. It was fun. It was fun. I'm going to be the first contestant out. Earnings coming up. What's your position in any of those places? Lyft, Airbnb, Uber. Let me know. Coconuts and cookies on Survivor. I like coconuts, and I'm not allergic to anything except for red candles. But and Mullen. Yeah, Hoods has a. Don't tell them you can't swim. Yeah, I would never say that. I'd have to go learn how to swim. I need to consider. Yep. They're like, yeah, jump in the water. I'm like, yeah, you know what, guys? You know what? Yeah, you know what? I was here for the vibes. Um, okay. So you're holding all those plays. You're holding two of the same plays into earnings. I'd be very careful with that. Uber and Lyft will react the same. So be very careful. I don't like that you're holding both of them. I mean, it would be fun if one of them beats and they both explode. But if one of them misses, they're both gonna crash because you're basically holding the exact same thing. I'm asking if you can swim. No, no, I'm not a good swimmer. I'm not a good swimmer. Emptied water and it was too heavy. That's where you lost interest. Oh wow. Okay. Oh my goodness. I am not. Dear, your invitation to Big Brother and has been cancelled. Why has it been cancelled? I want to go on Big Brother. I, is the best sport to move a lot. All your muscles. I agree. I agree. No, swimming is a good sport. UPLD. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Anyways, Survivor. That's cool though, Sky. If you get accepted, that's amazing. That's amazing. I hope you get accepted. Amazing. Sheesh. Amazing. Yeah, that was funny. We were talking about it, and just make sure you can swim, Sky. You can eat coconuts. You're not allergic to anything. I was watching Survivor the other night. Um, yeah. Anyways, date night Survivor, right? So we're watching Survivor, and so there's this lady's on there, and she's never like she doesn't like yeah. Of course I can swim. Oh my goodness, that's Liz. You watch Survivor too? See, Survivor is the best. And so this lady, she like so she's been on Survivor for however long, and she doesn't. She's allergic to everything, so she doesn't eat. And then so one of the challenges is if you win this challenge, you go to Applebee's, right? So like they bring the food to you. So then this guy wins, and she doesn't pick Liz to go on this reward, and she breaks down. She is pissed, and she's throwing like a little tantrum. Um. Anyways, but yeah. So I don't know why you go on Survivor if who couldn't eat and yeah, Kimvela, yeah. She's like, I'm allergic to coconuts. I'm allergic to this. I'm allergic. I'm like, why the hell do you go on Survivor? Also, like, why do you cry? Unbelievable. Exactly, Camilla. Exactly. See, now we have a little Survivor community. I had no idea that many of you guys watched Survivor. Wow. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah. So we need to have like Survivor Thursdays. So don't spoil it on Wednesdays, but like I usually watch it on Thursday nights. Yeah, Thursday night is when I watch it. To the wire? What do you mean? What do you mean, Stu? But like he has way more points, though. I thought. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He left me a message in Hangout. Okay, I'll take a look. Uh oh yeah, 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 yeah. I see it now. Yep. Yeah. Maybe what they're gonna do though is give her like a nice reward. Oh, the cup match. Oh, he has a player left though. Dang, I completely forgot about that. Uh, yeah. Who does he have? I hope that person gets 1 point. Mm, yeah. Okay. Okay. Gunacho. Hopefully he blanks, or he doesn't play and then he comes on for 1 point. Fight, please let us know if you want to practice. No, it's okay. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Not interested. Yeah, Lira. Yeah, Lira is being spammed in Discord. Then Lira. Oof. My goodness, these are some beautiful looking candles, and it's actually halted up. Wow, those are beautiful candles, and not the biggest run. Not like we're missing some, but that's a really nice. Yeah. This one honestly is one of those like gamble FOMO plays. Yeah, because the levels are really. It's down 86%, 86%, minus 86% still, even with the bounce. So yep, dead cat bounce for sure. Trying for days. Okay, with all those candles. That's because the damn thing came from like Musty. Uh, I bet you that thing was. Dang, look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, from $4 straight to 36 cents. Crazy. You can kind of see though that it crashed and then it just consolidated. So it went sideways and then broke out. So then I think people just got excited that at least it stopped crashing. With IE, yeah, IE's been on fire. He's been on fire. He's been on fire. Telling you. That's why he's is a goat. He's been spamming that thing all morning. Uh, sheesh. It's a really nice shout. Na, 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 na. Yeah, he posted that at what? Yeah, from the 40s. Yeah, 40 like into 40, just at 41 cents. It's eventually gonna crash again, but yeah, not a bad shout though. Let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Yeah. You didn't know finding these things? Yeah. He has the green name. The green name comes with fire, with flames. I was waiting for that thing to break about $3, Kimbella. It's not doing it for now, so the only good thing is that it's sitting above. So as long as it stays about 235, there's a chance. Below that level, it's dead to me. So it's gonna need to get above $3 though. Yeah. No, it usually doesn't. It usually doesn't. But it's been happening a lot lately, Steve. It's been happening a lot lately. Yeah. Yeah. So a few of them have been halting at 75 cents. Like as soon as you clear 75 cents, you're allowed to halt. Right. But for some reason now some of these ones are halting from 50 cents now, which is really interesting. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, please and thank you. There's still more than half of you guys that haven't smashed a like. Why? I don't know. And there goes the on halt. The on halt. So not a bad recovery. So just make sure you secure your profits on the way up because that thing is still sus. Dang, 59? Sheesh, 60 cents. Oh my goodness, that thing is going. Wow, 63 cents. Wow. Dang. Uh yes. Yeah, just make sure you secure your profits on the way up. Right. So he started spamming this thing at 41 cents, the curl. Right. So from 41 cents right there, that's what he was looking for, the curl. Right there. Curl, 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 and then boom skis. So it's at 61 now. So don't go diamond handling stuff, please. Mullen is at highs of the day. Dang. Highs of the day. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Na, 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 na. Here we go. Yeah, let's see. Let's see where this candle closes. TCBP is also back to almost $2. So it's trying to do something. Trying to do something. trying to do something. OMIC, interesting name. Cool. Anyways, let's last 5 minutes, guys, and then I have to hop off. 5 more minutes, and then back to Discord. See if we can crush some plays, crush some signals. Okay. Again, if you're not a legend member yet, I don't know what to tell you. Right. Um, TCBP kind of stayed in the same range, right? But we crushed it with this play, right? This morning, absolutely crushed it, right? That was your signal for the day. Well, right. So $1.50 from $1.50 from $1.50, right? And SGE all the way to $3, right? We exploded, right? So your signal was right down there, and then it just took off. So you made 100% on that signal if you took it. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're not a legend. Not sure. And if you're struggling, become a goat. Alrighty, alrighty. Yeah. Hmm. Oh yeah, Mullen has been on fire today, Musty. CVNA, did you get those puts, Sky? CVNA puts. Let's see. CVNA, are we red today? Oh yeah. Well, actually, no, we gapped up and now it's dipping. Oh wow, that if you bought those puts close to 130, Sky, oof, nice. Yeah. How much higher does it want to go? So if you bought those puts earlier, congratulations, because that's a fire play. Yeah. So yeah, it's different though, Musty, because Mullen is actually dropping news every single day. Mullen dropped news on Wednesday, and they dropped news again this morning. So they're creating their own momentum. Awin is there for the vibes. Awin is just there for the vibes, you know. Just there for the vibes. And Lira is dropping, so that shouldn't be a big surprise. It's a stock that's down 80 something percent, so you know it's trash, right? So just scalp your profits and have your stop loss, blah, blah, blah. Maybe this is a retest. We shall see. We shall see. How can they not? I don't know. They need a catalyst, Musty. No. Yeah, 50 retest. That's what you're looking for, E? Okay. There you go. AOE, we were just talking about you crushing it lately. Crushing it. You crushing it. So Yi posted a Ben F on Thursday. It went up 500% on Friday. Oof, monies. And Yi's been spamming this one from 40 cents. So crushing it, crushing it. Yeah, exactly, Troy. Exactly. 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 Yeah, and sometimes you when you have those plays, like when you have the plays and the levels, and like when you're not just like having a conversation, you can also just post some of those plays in trade ideas, already, because you have access to trade ideas. Pizza, oh, already party people, time to go make people cry to work. Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful day, pizza. Yeah, have a wonderful day, and see you later. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, when you're just chatting, stock general, but like sometimes when you or you can do both, right? You can also use trade ideas. Why? Because you are a goat. You are a what? A guardian. Oh, yeah, I changed the name because it seemed cooler. Instead of a furu, it's no longer called a furu. It's called the guardian. So if your name is green, you're called a guardian now. If you look in Discord, I don't know, it's silly, but anyways, I don't know why I called it that, but it's cool. So use a guardian. So at some point, we're gonna need to work on like merch, like Guardian merch, but maybe like one of these long weekends, a holiday or something. A holiday. Spice dumping, yeah. That'd be cool. Yeah, at some point. Anyways, guys, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discords and see if we can do some other stuff, and then we're gonna do a future stream in an hour and 2 hours, 2 hours, an hour and a half, whenever. We'll figure it out. Anyways, Christmas merch. No, Christmas turned out to be like so much busier than. That's because we did all the changes in Discord though. Last Christmas we were doing all these changes and updating everything else and updating that, so it just became like the busiest of times, and then that just carried on into the new year. So it wasn't really a holiday. It wasn't really a holiday. Alrighty, all. Again, be safe. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Hopefully, we can come back at the end, unless everything is sleeping. If not, we're going to stay in Discord. Uh, soon, Troy. Soon. It's going to be spicy. Soon. Kidding. I don't know. Did you? Gail, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Jay, have a bye, bye, bye. Again, be safe, all. We will catch you guys in Discord. Smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe if you're new. And again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. If you're not a legend member yet, you're missing out. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there. Come join us. If you do become a member, just send me an email at the top. Alrighty? Apple event tomorrow. Yeah, Apple. The iPads or whatever they're calling it. Alrighty, y'all. Be safe. Bye, guys. Bye, bye, bye.